is Happy Mail Friday. Woohoo! And I have this amazing mail to share with you today from Ari or Ari. Thank you so much. I absolutely loved it. Such a beautiful little mail. Look at this beautiful envelope. I love this collage. This will definitely go into the pen pal journal. So I will share this with you today. I absolutely loved it. Look at this beautiful card. It is gorgeous. Absolutely love it. It's so cute. And you can remove this little the ribbon and then oh, I love it. So this is me and Link or Coda, it depends. But she knows how much I love cats. So absolutely love that you picked these images for me. Then in here is her message to me, so I will not open it up. But she also included this very cute loaded envelope with some beautiful goodies. So here she made me this beautiful card with strength, and I absolutely love this. And I love the card and the aesthetic of it. Gorgeous. Then she also added some stickers and die cuts for me to use. So these beautiful fairies. Absolutely love them. They are very cute. I will love using them. And these two beautiful women she included in the mail, right up my alley. And then she also included this sticker, beautiful sticker. Love it. And then this is my favorite piece, I think. She made me this card and it's gorgeous. I love the girl with the flower and this beautiful watercolor mark, and it says sunshine. So I think this one will go up on my Happy Mail wall, because on that side of my craft room I collect all Happy Mail kinds of things that people send me. So thank you so much, Ari. I absolutely I love this little mail. It made my Friday. So I go to my PO box every Friday and I check if I have mail. So usually I see this on a Friday, just at the start of my week, and I love to make myself a cup of tea and then read the letters and open the mails and stuff. So I absolutely loved it. So thank you so much, Ari, for sending me this mail. As of today, I am currently working on setting up my own business, so I don't have a lot of time to really create. So my snail mail is a bit on hold, and I hope to get back into it soon again because I have lots and lots of snail mail to catch up on. So stay tuned for that. So don't worry if you haven't received anything from me yet. You are on my list. I have my eye on you, and I will make my mail. I just can't make any promises on how fast because life and things and work. So yeah, I hope to catch up with that soon. It's my 2021 goal is to catch up with my mail. I catch up with my pen pal journal. So I have to make some haste, I think, because it's already March. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, I would love it if you'd give me a thumbs up. I would also love it if you'd consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all next time. Bye!